Hey, it's Brett with Complete Trailers. Today we're talking about equipment trailers, specifically hydraulic dampening tilt or gravity tilt trailers. Even more specific than that is a triple axle gravity tilt, 24,000 pound GVWR trailer. And we're gonna talk extensively as to why the tilt is better than the typical flip ramp models you see everywhere else. Now this trailer is manufactured by Diamond C. It's arguably one of the nicest trailers on the market today. I'll put it side by side up against any other competitor out there, and I can assure you that we'll be able to point out differences and why this trailer is better for you. Now there are two different types of customers out there. One, I overload my trailer all the time, or two, I never want to overload my trailer and I want it to be overbuilt so that I never overload it. And if you're the customer that overloads your trailer, this one is for you. We know who you are because we talk to you guys all the time. So let's back into the math here a little bit. You've got a tandem axle traditional trailer that's rated at 14,000 pounds, or in some cases 14,900 pounds. That 900 pounds is the weight that's transferred to the tow vehicle. So you always get a little bit more of capacity out of the trailer, even though it's technically 14,000, because some of that weight transfers to the tow vehicle. So let's say you've got a 14,900 pound tandem axle model, and you've got the trailer empty weight of 4,500 pounds and a piece of equipment that's 10,000 pounds. On paper, that's 10,000 plus 4,500. You're within the capacity of the axles on that particular model, but I can assure you that you are completely maxing out that trailer. Traditional trailers that you're familiar with have two flip ramps or two slide-in ramps in the rear. We've moved and shifted away from those quite some time ago, and the reason is simple. The flip ramps or the slide-in ramps seem to get bent or stolen, and they're heavy to operate and heavy to mess with. So if you're sick of dealing with all of that hassle, there's a very simple valve that's on the side of this trailer. It's an open or closed position setup. First, what you have to do is you have to unlock the deck. There's a safety mechanism built in. You adjust the valve, open or close. The deck simply gravity tilts up or down when you're ready. So when it's in the down position, you load your piece of machinery, and as you slowly drive forward, it tilts forward. Now that valve and that cylinder that is attached to the trailer is going to prevent that deck from dropping down and slamming down onto the deck. So it's a very slow, very easy transition, and the movement is very simple and very easy to use. The reason we went with a triple axle model is because it gives us a 24,000 pound GVWR. Now they're triple 7,000 pound axles, 16-inch 10-ply tires on that, so technically that's 21,000 pounds. But again, we're transferring some of that weight to the tow vehicle. That gives us transfer weight of 3,000 pounds or 20,000 pound GVWR on this model. Now, something that's important to note is you're gonna have to check with DOT regulations and your towing vehicle, because 26,001 pounds between truck and trailer are gonna be CDL territory. Unless you're in California, it's even less than that. So something to be aware of, that this particular trailer with triple axles generally and usually means that you have to have a CDL to tow it. Okay, the triple axle model comes with an 8-inch, 15-pound I-beam frame. Now, again, traditional trailers out there have a C-channel frame. Usually it's a 6-inch or a 7-inch. This is a big, beefy I-beam frame, arguably much stronger than really anything out there. Also, in the front of the trailer, we put a 12,000-pound jack. That's a drop leg. It's a lockable tongue box. You can take your spare tire, it fits inside, put your chains, your binders, your boomers, your whatever straps you want to put in there, throw them in that tongue box, lock it up, you're all set, ready to go. Trailer comes standard with multiple tie-down points. You've got stake pockets, and you've got D-rings that are mounted throughout. Should give you tons of tie-down opportunities wherever you want. LED lights are also standard. Please note, we've got very competitive shipping rates nationwide. No matter where you're located, we can ship this trailer right to your front door. If you like what you've seen here, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we put up new videos, and stay tuned for more content to follow.